Two videos playing so that you can see my iPad carefully. I'm going to be switching back and forth between those. So you can see my iPad is up on the screen for you to see there. It's also here on my other GoPro camera, so you can work with that. You'll need to remember the home key today with a tap, just a regular tap, not a hold. If you hold it, it will go to Siri. You don't need that, just tap it. The volume keys should be up here on the right. If your home key is on the right side, your volume key should be there. I'm going to turn that down to a 5 or a 6. Today, you can use these apps, the Panda app, the Raz Kids app, Big Universe app, or BrainPop app. BrainPop's very easy. I'm going to go to that first to show you how to use it. Now that I'm in it, I'm going to go to the bottom that says Search All Movies. I'll click All Movies. You can see up here as well, guys, that you can choose science or health or reading writing. I'll just show you really quick. I'll click into reading writing, and then I might click into authors, and then I could click on a book to read. If you need to go back, click the back button, but please just watch one video at a time. If you want to start with BrainPop, you can watch a video, but when you're done with that video, tap the key to close it and go to a different app. I know you know how to use the Panda app. It helps teach you about endangered animals. Remember, when it's loading, you can press skip to get into it, and then start. If you'd like to swipe through, you can always swipe through the pages, or go to the top corner, the icon with an animal, click the animal, and pick an animal to use. Please don't click the GIFs, but click on an animal. It'll bring you to an animal. If you'd like to look at the globe and circle the globe, click on the globe icon and spin the globe till you find a blue dot that you'd like to press, and you can learn about the great white shark. That blue piece shows all the places the great white shark could be found. You can tell that he stays around all of the warm water, but stays away from the really cold water that you see here on the bottom towards Antarctica. When you're done with that app and you're done searching, you could go to New Animals, or you can click the tab, and you can get out. The next thing I'd like to show you is the robot one that's orange that you can see up there. But if you click on Raz Kids, it might be loaded for you already, or you might need to get in it yourself. So here, this is loaded for me already, but I'm going to click out of this. And the way that I made those screens tiny to close them was that I tap, close the app. You can swipe them up to close them. You'll need to do that later. Let's get back into Raz Kids and see if I can load it in to show you how it loads. So you can see it up on the board. It's already in. Let's see if I can go back. When you want to get into the screen, you need to make sure that it says Media Center. It could say Media Center 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. But you're always going to click into the yellow moon. I'm going to try to show you how to change that. I don't think I really can. Let's see. Ah, good. To get in, you're going to see a screen like this, guys. You need to click on Miss Morrison's name. Click. Just once. If you look carefully, don't click on any of the kids' names. Click where it says Media C. Those Media Cs are accounts that you can get into without a password. Now that you know that you're in, you click on the yellow moon. But here's what's important. If you want the story to be read to you, you need to click the ear. If you look up top, there's letters. You can do letters A, B, C, or D. Or E, sorry. So I'll go to E, the highest up I could go to. And then when I found a book that I want, I click on the ear. and then it reads to me. Now I'll click pause. I'll click pause so that I could go back if I wanted. But right now, since you know how to use the books, make sure that if you click into RazKids and you read the entire book, you'll get to an end page that's orange. Click the home key. You'll get some points, and then you could read another book. Let me click out of that and show you the last app, which would be Big Universe. It's a great app that's brand new that I just made for you. You can find books on your own if you'd like to try this out. What you need to do is go to on the left side where it says DRA level and click on your DRA level. You might be a 4 or a 6. I'll click a 4. And then all of the books that are level 4s will show up for you. The cool thing about this app is that you get to read the books all on your own. If you look on the bottom of the page, you can see where it says read. That's what we're in right now. If you see assignments, click assignments. And these are the books that I have put in for you if you'd like to read any of these books. Like if you'd like to read The Zoo or 1, 2, 3 Eggs, so I'll click on the Zoo. I'm going to make sure I click on Read Now. And then I can read my book by turning pages with the blue arrow key on the side. But you'll want to read those words on your own. If you're able to read a book, go to another book. If you're done with that app, click the tab, because you're using the Panda app, the RazKids app, the Big Universe app, or the BrainPop app. At the end, tap, and close all the apps so that the next class gets to tap in and use the iPads as well as you did. Thank you for working with these so carefully. When you're done with these, be careful so that your substitute can collect them to keep them safe. Great job today, and thanks for paying such good attention to my videos.